Welcome back. In this video, we're going to switch to the newest CLAUDE AI model. We're now going to use this model in our query. We're going to head to the home page. We're then going to place in the first question to our query. We're then going to click Enter, and we will allow Perplexity to generate our answer. Of all of the models, the CLAUDE model provides the least insight but the most concise. We're then going to move to our follow-up question. Now, Claude does provide a more precise element in terms of the second question and attempts to apply a mathematical score. We are now going to move on to the third question, and we will then click Enter. And finally, we are going to ask the model to choose one. The answer is the same as the GPT-4o model as well as the default model from Perplexity. The only dissenting model is the X.AI model. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.